Alright guys, so this is Jason over at Kaiser Willys. We're here up at the MVPA in Oshkosh, Wisconsin. Here we have an M38 and we're going to take a look at basically the carburetor over to the oil bath and then out to a Snorkel. So what you have here is you have the Carter YS. So you know it's the Carter YS because it's got the it's a side draft carburetor. It's not a down draft, so this is the original carburetor to this M38. So what you have is you have a military dual action fuel pump which has vacuum, and then it also has the fuel leading up to the side here. You've got a bunch of different ports that go off here, but just to get it over to the oil bath, it's going to go to this rubber hose right here, and you've got a clamp on either side. All of these parts you can find at Kaiser Willys, and then you've got another clamp here which leads over to this crossover tube bracket. Everything is designed to be enclosed or waterproof, so you've got this leading just like the 2A and so forth over to the dipstick, and then you're going to get to another hose which is going to have a clamp on either side. Then you'll go to the oil bath. Okay, and once you get to the oil bath, now you've got another port on the opposite side, and this is for where the Snorkel system is going to actually start. So this is going to plug in right here with this. This is part of our Snorkel kit, so you'll get a soft hose, you'll get a long hose that's going to be up here for the bracket, but you also have one that's coming off of from underneath. So you've got the Snorkel, it gets bolted right here as a main source of a structure for the start of this tube. This hose is going to then run up to this vertical bar, which has some mounting points here, here, and here, and it's going to lead up here so that now here's your the end of your Snorkel. But that's how that would have worked on this M38. This is a 1952. So that's the Snorkel system, leading over from the carburetor through the oil bath and up to the Snorkel.